Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of beginner woodworking to designer masterpieces project ideas for creating beautiful wood crafts for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating the most satisfying woodworking projects as a beginner or as a passionate lover of woodcraft begins with a simple realization. Woodworking is not only about shaping timber into useful objects, but about discovering how creativity, patience, and natural materials can come together to produce something deeply meaningful. For many people who start working with wood, the early projects often feel small and modest, perhaps a simple shelf, a small decorative box, a cutting board, or a basic stool. But within these humble beginnings lies the foundation of a craft that can gradually evolve into something far more expressive. The satisfaction comes not only from completing a project, but from witnessing how raw wood slowly transforms under your hands. Each step of the process, from selecting a board and studying its grain to sanding the surface and applying the final finish, reveals the hidden beauty within the material. Even beginners quickly discover that wood has its own personality. The grain patterns flow like natural artwork, the colors shift subtly across the surface, and small imperfections such as knots or mineral streaks often add character rather than detract from it. Learning to respect and work with these natural features is one of the first lessons that turns simple woodworking into an artistic pursuit. When beginners embrace the idea that each piece of wood is unique, their projects begin to feel less like manufactured items and more like personal creations. This perspective encourages experimentation, allowing woodcraft lovers to explore shapes, proportions, and textures while gradually refining their technical skills. Over time, the simple act of cutting and joining wood becomes a conversation between the maker and the material, where the craftsperson learns to guide the wood rather than force it into rigid forms. As confidence grows, woodworking naturally evolves from basic construction toward thoughtful design. Early projects often focus on functionality, but with experience comes a deeper awareness of aesthetics and balance. A beginner who once focused solely on building a sturdy table might begin to consider how the thickness of the legs influences the visual weight of the piece, or how the orientation of the grain affects the overall harmony of the design. These small design decisions gradually elevate the work from simple craftsmanship into something that begins to resemble designer-level furniture. The transformation does not happen overnight. It unfolds through repetition, observation, and the willingness to learn from each completed project. Many woodcraft enthusiasts discover that the most satisfying moments occur when they begin to see their work not just as a functional object, but as a piece that contributes to the atmosphere of a living space. A well-crafted wooden table or wall shelf can change the way a room feels, introducing warmth and authenticity that mass-produced furniture often lacks. Modern homes, with their clean lines and minimalistic architecture, often benefit from the natural presence of wood because it brings organic texture and visual depth into the environment. This is where woodworking becomes a bridge between craftsmanship and interior design. The maker is no longer simply building an object, but creating a focal point that interacts with the surrounding space. One of the most powerful aspects of woodworking is its ability to blend tradition with innovation. Techniques that have been used for centuries, such as careful joinery, hand sanding, and oil finishing, still form the backbone of the craft, yet these traditional skills can easily adapt to contemporary design ideas. Beginners who start with simple techniques eventually learn how these same methods can produce sophisticated results when combined with thoughtful design choices. A straightforward plank shelf, for example, may evolve into a floating installation that appears to emerge seamlessly from the wall. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. A small wooden bench might gradually develop into a sculptural seating piece that highlights the natural curves of the wood. This progression illustrates how the craft naturally encourages growth and exploration. With each project completed, the maker gains new insights into proportion, durability, and visual harmony. The tools remain largely the same, but the understanding of how to use them expands dramatically. This evolution is deeply satisfying because it reflects personal progress. The craft becomes a journey where each piece marks a new step in skill, confidence, and creative vision. Another reason woodworking projects become so fulfilling is the connection they create between people and natural materials. In a world increasingly dominated by digital experiences and synthetic products, working with wood offers a tangible and grounding activity. The scent of freshly cut timber, the feel of grain beneath the fingertips, and the quiet rhythm of sanding or shaping create a sense of calm focus that many people find deeply rewarding. This tactile relationship with wood also encourages mindfulness, as each stage of the process demands patience and attention. Rushing often leads to mistakes, while careful, deliberate work produces results that feel balanced and refined. Over time, this patient approach becomes part of the maker's identity, influencing not only their craftsmanship, but also the way they approach creativity in general. When these carefully crafted pieces are brought into modern homes, they carry that sense of intention with them. A handmade wooden table or decorative object does more than occupy space. It communicates the story of how it was made, the hours of attention invested in it, and the natural origin of the material itself. This narrative adds emotional value to the object, making it feel more personal and meaningful than factory-produced furniture. Bringing artistry into modern homes through woodworking also means understanding that perfection is not always the goal. In fact, some of the most compelling wooden pieces celebrate natural irregularities and handcrafted details. Slight variations in grain, subtle asymmetry in shape, or the visible marks of hand tools can add character that distinguishes handmade objects from machine-made ones. Instead of hiding these details, skilled woodworkers learn to incorporate them intentionally, allowing the finished piece to feel authentic and alive. This authenticity is increasingly valued by homeowners and designers who seek environments that reflect individuality rather than mass production. When a wooden piece carries visible evidence of craftsmanship, it invites people to appreciate the human effort behind it. The result is furniture and decor that feels timeless rather than trendy. Such pieces often become cherished elements within a home, remaining relevant even as styles change because their beauty comes from natural materials and thoughtful design rather than temporary fashion. Ultimately, the journey from beginner woodworking projects to designer-level statement pieces is a gradual unfolding of both skill and creativity. It begins with simple tasks, cutting boards, small shelves, modest stools, but over time those early efforts teach the maker how to see wood differently. What once looked like an ordinary plank becomes an opportunity for artistic expression. Each new project builds upon the lessons of the previous one, slowly expanding the maker's understanding of design, structure, and finishing techniques. As this understanding deepens, the projects themselves grow more ambitious and refined. Yet the core satisfaction remains the same as it was in the beginning, the joy of transforming a raw natural material into something beautiful and functional. Through patience, experimentation, and a genuine love for the craft, woodworking enthusiasts can create pieces that not only enrich their own lives, but also bring warmth, character, and artistry into modern homes. The finished objects stand as quiet reminders that creativity and craftsmanship still hold an important place in contemporary living, proving that even the simplest beginnings can lead to extraordinary expressions of design and artistry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beginner woodworking to designer masterpieces project ideas for creating beautiful wood crafts for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.